Hello viewers, welcome back. So in previous video we saw how can you install Node.js and VS Code in your computer and then write JavaScript code. So today we're going to see how can you take user input inside your JavaScript code by using Node.js. So at first we need to install two libraries, one is npm and another one is a package of npm. Make sure you have installed Node.js and VS Code before using or before watching this tutorial. So at first I'm going to my search bar and then I'm writing by cmd. So you can see that we have got command prompt here. I'm going to pressing command prompt. So now we need to install two library, at first npm. So I'm going to copying this line. Just after selecting, I've just pressed Ctrl C and then pasting it here by Ctrl V and then press the enter button. Now we need to wait a moment. So it shows that npm installed successfully. So let me check if it's installed successfully. So we need to command here npm and then -v. So you can see we have got something like 10.2.5. That means npm is installed successfully. Now let me copy the another line. I'm going to selecting the whole line and then Ctrl C. Now let's go to the command prompt again and then press the Ctrl V and then press enter. So we need to wait again a few moments. So it shows that the prompt saying library of npm is installed successfully. Now let's try to go to our folder and then take some user input from the JavaScript. So I'm going to opening this folder. So the procedure is same as before. Click on here and then pressing the backspace, writing cmd. So our command prompt is here and write code space full stop. Press the enter button. So our JavaScript file is now open in our VS Code. So make sure that you have got terminal here. If it's not available here, you just need to click on the three dot here and then click on terminal, new terminal. Okay, so now let's try to run this code at first, and I'm going to explain you the function of this code. So right here node and then type the name of this file, and that is test.js. So it's asking me to enter my name and then I'm putting my name. To give an age, I'll give a random age, and you can see it's showing the welcome message. From here the number of line 6. So now let's try to explain this code. So in the first line we have declared a variable named as prompt, and we're calling the library of npm which we have installed before. So make sure you write this line, otherwise you can't take input. This is the mandatory line. And then as we have declared the variable prompt here and calling the prompt sim library, make sure you don't make any mistake in this line. So after writing the prompt, we'll call the prompt wherever we'll need input. So I have declared another variable, and that is name, and inside the name we'll take the user input. So once user give us the input, it will be stored inside the name variable, and then the code will go to the next line and then it will show enter your age. You can change the text. For example, I can just keep here age, then control save. Now if I write here node space, so now it's showing your name. So you can see that it's showing now only age. Even you can keep the keep it empty, it doesn't matter, it's not required. But if it's recommended to give some text here so that it's become easy for the user to give the input. So if you can install and do so far, then congratulations, and we will see the next thing in our live class and other tutorial. One thing to be clear here, that is, make sure you open and you run this code all the time from the terminal. If you run this code from here, I mean click on this run button, it will go to output, it won't work. So you don't need to worry about this thing. Just make sure you follow is everything I showed in this video step by step. So thanks for watching.